miren. Aquí tengo para llamar por teléfono. No. Aquí va el piloto.
Dining room and his bedroom all rolled into one. Mrs. Reagan had the adjoining suite with a similar layout, and they shared a bathroom back there where you see the mirror.
Vente, ¿no te quedas? Hugo, vente.
Mira tú la ahorita.
Así de ahí que nos toca. Hey, cuántos botones.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Estamos en el Air Force One.
Welcome to Air Force One.
Thank you.
This is the radio control center. When this aircraft is in operation, they could talk to anybody anywhere in the world. Have two Air Force officers would sit there. The briefcase you see down there was known as a football. That contained the nuclear codes that would enable the president to authorize a nuclear response in the event that we were attacked. Towards the rear of the aircraft, you'll meet a Colonel Cheelander, and it was his responsibility when traveling the president, always be in touch with that briefcase and know where the president was. I'm standing in the kitchen or the galley that served the president, the first lady, the flight crew, probably about a third of the passengers on the aircraft. That's the president's suite there. That served as his office, his dining room, and his bedroom all rolled into one. Mrs. Reagan had the adjoining suite with a similar layout, and they shared a bathroom back there where you see the mirror. Hello.
En la oficina, ajá. Yes. Mira, ahí va viendo. Así voy a tener mi propio avión.
Ahorita nos va sentado ahí.
Sí.
U.S. presidents have walked before. There's not another aircraft in the world that can make that.
Y acá.
This is a radio control
Es
center.
exactamente el avión. Es el avión.
Ve, yo pensé que iban a asientos diferentes, pero no, con razón. Mira, ve.
Tocar, no tocar.
Sorry. Yo ya me siento que ando en mi casa. Mira, ve. Una casa completa.
Would sit at the very back.
Bien.
Yeah. So this would be guests, and then would be the security folks to keep an eye on things, and then the media would be at the very back on that side. And I think there's somebody back there. I'll tell you a little bit more about it.
Hello, hi, how are you?
Good, how are
Thank
you
you.
doing?
Good, thank you.
Are you videotaping? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes. Ya. Mira, ve qué bonito. Están ellos todos acá. Y mira, ve. Nice. Miren. Todos tenían su teléfono, mira.
Oh, this kitchen's almost bigger than they thought.
Ahí está él, ve.
Oh, this was just...
Está la cámara, dejaron ver.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your
Ay, ya me dio hambre. Ya hungry. El postre. Thank you. ¿Ya vieron? Ya llegamos a Dubai. Fíjense rápido. Ahorita, miren. Acá. Allá está Hugo, miren, saludándolos a todos. Miren. Todo eso es lo que estaba dentro. Goodies. Ahora vamos para abajo.